Bro, you don't know what an intro is?
No?
Damn.
Send her a text of what you want her to say and she'll say it.
It's like doing it like this. Like, what's up, guys? This is a YouTube channel, and we're gonna do the train loot only with Bunster, Total Punisher, Miss Manson, and myself. We can only pick up loot from the train, and that's all we can pick up. And we're gonna try to get a win like that. Like that.
You serious?
I have two.
Huh?
Oh, she's doing L like we losers when she ain't want to show her crowns.
Mm-hmm.
Lame, man. Still dating inside enemy players from 50 meters. I can't do the emo on different train stations. Unless you collect the sidings out. Alright, but.
We're still doing the train?
Yeah.
Yup. Shit, I missed it. Motherfucker.
I got it. What do you want? SMG or shotgun?
What shotgun is it? Yeah.
Oh my god, there's no vehicle
Oh no, I
here.
don't like that one.
You back.
Trotter likes this one.
Oh, well then.
Okay.
Like I'm on Harry Potter.
God damn it. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm just kidding. I'm picking up everything and making you go
That's
crazy.
fine.
Ah,
So we're gonna wait one more time for the chest to restart, right? And then we
Yeah,
fight.
unless you want to stop right there.
No. Let's try to loot up a little bit more with stuff.
ah, it's flying stuff. Ah, the stuff was flying away.
How long did it take last time?
A while.
Oh,
Better
damn.
get it because he's gonna fly away.
1 hour later.
Oh, it's activated. Yes.
I was abandoned. Why?
Cause
The train left.
Oh, and you left on it too.
We're on the train.
Bye. Y'all make it seem like I can't drive to fucking get you. Ah! I really can't.
You really can't drive. We
What
already
did he-
established that.
Why did the... Ah, I'm gonna drown this shit. Yeah. You get the fuck off my shit. What?
People.
There's a fucking gold sniper right here. Can I pick it up?
No.
Ah. Oh wait, I have this. What the hell is wrong?
Hey, somebody need an assault rifle?
I
Ah,
do.
where's my
Oh
fucking-
wait, I need an assault rifle.
Oh snap! Nope.
These motherfuckers on the train. They got the train. I don't know ammo for that shit.
Bunce is dead. What happened?
The group on the train. I mean on the hill.
Oh, that's a lesson learned. Do not separate.
I know this. Y'all didn't tell me the train was taking off till y'all took off.
It don't stop moving. It keeps moving.
Next time I'm just gonna stay on the train.
It just keeps moving, just keeps moving, just keeps moving.
What do? You move.
Move. Move.
We could revive her right there.
Make sure they're not in there, sucker.
There's people fighting over here.
I'm about to check it. If I die, you know why.
I'm gonna go in here. I need ammo.
Oh. He's pushing you. One of them. You guys gonna come up?
Yep.
Uh,
Oh, where's the thing?
A few moments later.
Right next to you.
Didn't see it. No,
Oh,
no, no.
shit.
Double time. You got it. Stick it.
Oh, you fucker.
Wow.
Yeah, we did it.
Y'all gangsta.
Yeah.
ah, sucker, you went for my loot.
Here. I just...
Please tell me you have AR ammo.
Nope.
I did.
I did too.
They're not gonna come over here.
You think so?
I don't know.
I think so. I think they're still there.
Are they? They're probably looking, but I don't think they're there.
He's going by fives. Oh wait, no, it's not. What the hell?
There's two vehicles here. There's another vehicle back there with by the reboot.
Alright.
Or you just gotta keep
That was
going, bro,
mine!
until we find some
Yeah, yeah,
nails.
yeah, yeah.
I had one too. Oh no, this one is yours because it's the eagle.
Hurry on. Okay, let's go.
Don't waste the gas on us.
Oh my god, dude.
Is there a gas station around here? Or are you
They
gonna take us
fucking-
right to them?
No, I'm not.
Tire.
Oh,
Do you not see I'm going away from them?
I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die.
Rima, did you see the tire?
Right here.
Mhm.
We'll loot up here.
On rim only.
Oh shit!
Oh, it's-
Kill him! Thanks for the ammo.
Oh, look, come here.
I'm going.
Wait!
Wait.
Oh no! Oh!
Aw.
Fuck you.
Ready?
Mhm.
My tire was blown out.
Here, right here. Alright, I gotta drop this.
Oh wait, this is a weapon. Right here, sucker. Right here.
What?
You're going the opposite of me.
Bro, I'm just seeing some ammo and shit. Let's try to get over here.
I see him.
Trying to see. Fuck that. In the bush. Ooh, sniper! Sniper, motherfucker! Shockwaves?
Can you pick him up?
Yeah, but there's also splashes. There's a blue sniper over here from the what you call it? Oh damn! How do you get over there?
We're trying to get to you.
Knocked.
Two 2,000 years later.
Thank you, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Right when they land, let's hit that. Break that.
Alright.
You guys gotta land right here so we can break this.
Damaging them for a little bit. We're missing one more. Or
There's another guy running up the hill.
I need AR ammo.
right here, right here, right here. Knock one.
Killed one.
Knocked another.
There's a sniper, there's a sniper, there's a sniper.
Don't just say there's a sniper. Where? Where? Where is he?
He's by the rock.
The one in black.
One's low.
That's why I knocked him.
Knocked him. He's right here. Got him!
Yeah, we did it!
With the train loot only. Oh my
Yo,
goodness.
You better record. You better post
Never
that
again.
bitch.